Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you on how to cut an image using Photoshop, removing its original background and adding its new background. This final picture, we will be duplicating this. So let's start. Let's click File and then New Project. So I'm going to be calling this Project Nano and then click Create. So we're going to insert an image by clicking File and then Open and select this one. So what we're going to do is cut this image or this subject away from this background. We can do it by clicking first the Unlock button and then click this rectangular marquee tool and then select Mask and then select Subject and then this highlighted subject or picture, we'll be cutting this out and then click OK. And then we have to click this one, add layer mask. So now you can see that the main picture is already cut out from its background. So what we're going to do next is add a background. Aside from clicking file, we can also drag the picture from our desktop. So we might want to make sure that the main picture is in front and the background is at the back. So we have to drag the main picture on top of it. And then we can click Control T to adjust the background. And then we can click Adjust the main picture. And then if you want to edit the saturation or make filter for the main subject, you can just click the picture and then Control U, and you can see some options for filter here. I will choose strong saturation and then click OK. Also, if you want to smoothen out the sides of the main subject, you can click here and then you can choose these options: texture, inner shadow, inner glow, outer glow, and drop shadow. If you use these patterns, these will remove the main subject. So let's just undo it and then click OK. For the background, that's good enough. So if you want to also add a text, you can click here and we can say Nano in Paris. So if you want to adjust the text, just click Control and then you can adjust to wherever you wanted to place the text. If you also want to do this in 3D, you can also click the check mark and then click 3D. And then if you want to adjust this, you can just explore these options and then just click the main subject, and there you go. This is the final product. I hope this helps. So this will also be helpful for students who wants to do a presentation for their reporting, also for aspiring YouTubers like me, and you can also use this for work purposes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you again next time. Bye bye.